Howdy folks, you join us in beautiful Norway at Hemsedal, I believe. A bit of a mountain lake behind me, not actually a fjord, so it's not an inlet, it's actually fresh water, but we've seen lots of beautiful fjords the last day, and we're continuing our scenic drive north to Trondheim, where my sister lives. We met up with them in Oslo, and we're doing the scenic drive, so stay tuned. Howdy folks, we continue our journey through Norway via car. Went up to Geiranger today. The weather was not great, but here we are in Olesund. We got beautiful clear skies. Looking forward to a night of no darkness. We just climbed up here to the observatory. It was 418 steps. There's Jordan. Alrighty folks, you join us here on an island on the west coast of Norway, in Alnes. We took three tunnels and one bridge to get here from Alnesund, where you just were with us. We have a beautiful Airbnb. We're just gonna pop up this mountain here. It's called Storhornet. Should be about 2 miles, and there's a beautiful lake at the top. If it's decent, we'll go for a dip. Stay tuned. It's a bit muddy.
La lake.
We made it up, but no swimming. That's okay.
Drink van.
Alrighty folks, we've made it to the top, about a mile and a half or so, a bit further than we intended. You can see where we came up over there, and then we made our way around the lake, came up a few hundred more feet, got a gorgeous panoramic view here. Everyone is in a good mood, popping some beers. It is actually about 12:45 now, the sun's set right around midnight, but you can tell there's plenty of light to work with, so we're gonna enjoy this view, have a beer, and then head back down. Cheers! That's what we needed. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We returned from our hike around 2:30 last night. It wasn't dark, but we were trying to be quiet, so this will be the chatting part. It was gorgeous. Went up about 1,200 feet or so. Didn't go up to the very top of Storhornet, but we got gorgeous panoramic views nonetheless, down towards Olesund and the surrounding mountains. Absolutely gorgeous in this area. Our Airbnb is stunning. But we're gonna just take a little walk down to the lighthouse and then driving up to Trondheim today. Gonna go on a little boat ride tomorrow, so stay tuned. Driving towards Trondheim on E39. Gotta take the 33-minute ferry across. As you can see, there is a little cafeteria. Really nice. Had a little hot dog. Absolutely gorgeous views all around. Norway is stunning. Howdy folks, we made it to Trondheim after 3 days of driving. We're going to go on a little boat ride today, so stay tuned for that. Gonna check out a little castle, get some swimming done. Should be great.
Howdy folks,